Hello, my name is Bethany Stahl, and I am a full-time author and illustrator. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Here I cover all things self-publishing, and if you are looking for tips and tricks about your self-publishing journey, make sure you subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. If you are looking for additional help and information, go over to patreon.com/Bethany Stahl, where you can see a ton more information of behind-the-scenes videos, documents, tips and tricks, courses, and more. So definitely check that out if you are looking for more out of your self-publishing journey. And if you are watching this video, then you are taking part in my ads class. If you are watching this video for the first time and you have no idea what I'm talking about, make sure you go to part 1 of this series to start with us and create ads with us. That way we can work together to creating profitable Amazon ads. If you are coming back in this journey and rechecking in, welcome, and let's jump into today's class. So what we are going to do today is do something very similar to what we did yesterday. So we are going to go to create a campaign again. We are going to again do sponsored products. And this time we are going to create it for our book, but we're going to say save the ocean. We're going to do an automatic and then put today's date. Again, if you have a portfolio that you'd like it to be in, you can go ahead and add that. And then our end date will be 1 month from today. Our daily budget is again going to be $5. And this time we're going to turn on automatic targeting. What this means is we're giving Amazon the freedom to find what keywords match our book best and pair the searcher to our book. So we're going to put on automatic targeting. Again, we're going to do dynamic bids down only. And then again, we have the option of text or no text. Now, if you want to be a little bit fancy and try this out, additionally, you can create these with text. You can create A/B testing with different types of text, or you don't have to do text at all. This part is purely up to you. And like I said, I haven't noticed a huge difference with or without text for my book particularly. So I don't know if it makes a huge difference, but again, that is up to you for testing. Since we did custom text the last time, we are going to do a standard ad this time, and we are going to add in our book. So again, the paperback, I do only recommend you advertise the paperbacks because you are not going to create as much revenue off of advertising for ebooks since the royalties are lower. However, if you charge significantly for your ebook and you have decent ebook royalties, your situation may be different than mine and it may be worth advertising for your ebook. I personally haven't seen a lot of success in that. So I do only advertise my paperbacks, and then those buyers will trickle to the ebook if they want the ebook. But that is, again, entirely up to you and what your profits are and what you are willing to spend. So down here for automatic targeting, we're going to set a default bid. I recommend doing something between 25 and 30 cents to get you started, and then you can adjust it from there. So let's just go for, we'll go right in the middle. We'll do 28 cents. Launch this campaign. So that campaign is up and running, and we will check back on that in a few days. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you all next time.
If you are looking for more information about publishing, go over to bethanystahl.com/classes to see a huge collection of information that I have gathered for you, separated out into topics. Now, most of these classes are free to access, but there are a few that are exclusive to my self-pub patrons. If you do want to join that, go over to patreon.com/BethanyStahl, where you can join and get access to the classes, as well as other behind-the-scenes tips, tricks, and documents that are exclusive to that squad. if you are trying to get into contact with me to ask questions, the best place to do that would be Patreon. I do see all of those messages and comments first, and I am able to reply to those almost immediately. So that is the best place for more individualized help. I hope this video has helped, and I will see you all next time.